Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. And if you are seeing this smiley face for the first time, what's up with all this smiley face that I'm seeing in this my recent videos now? Like, I don't understand, but let's go. If you are seeing this face for the first time, you are highly welcome. And for my returning subscribers, thank you guys for coming. Thank you for always supporting this girl. I really appreciate you guys. So guys, in this particular video today, you have already seen in the title that we are unboxing a particular skincare product from a popular brand that you all know. Yes, so this particular product is something that have been seen in people's ad. Like each time I'm watching people's videos on YouTube, I keep seeing it on their ads, and it's just as if they keep telling me, get this, get this, get this. I don't know. So I just went to a supermarket a few days ago and I saw it. I quickly grabbed it. I said, this thing that these people have been showing me, let me try it out and see. And it's none other product than Nivea. Yeah. So guys, this is it. I believe you guys have seen this before, this Nivea Luminous Routine Pack. So guys, I got it and I'll be trying it out. They say save 3,320 naira special offer only. Okay, it happens that this one is 2 in 1. You can see it, 2 in 1. It contains sun cream and serum. Oh god, it contains sun cream. I think this is the sun cream and serum. This is serum. So we'll be opening it. I bought it and I just kept it that way. And also this Nivea facial wash. This Nivea facial wash is 3 in 1 facial wash. It has the scrub. Okay, you can use it as scrub, you can use it as face masks, you can use it as face wash. Okay, so it does 3 things at a time: purifying, white, clear, I don't know. So guys, and this is not really what is making me to make this video. Actually, it's because of this. Yeah, because the way I've been seeing this on people's video, it's just as if they have been telling me, Jen, you have to buy this, you have to buy this. And for the fact, what's actually attracted me to buying it is they said is anti-dark marks. Okay, I said is anti-dark marks, and for the fact that it also has what is it called, for the fact that it also contains, I mean, this particular pack also contains sunscreen. So that's what made me to get it in a complete pack like this. And I even learned it's cheaper, it's more affordable, rather it's more affordable this way, getting it this way, than when you get it one after the other. Okay, so you can see where the road save 3,320 naira from getting this, getting this particular pack. But when you are picking it, you pick the sunscreen, I think it's 8,000 something each, so which is around 16 to 17,000 something. Okay, but with this pack, I think I got it for 12,000. I can't remember the actual amount that is on top of the 12,000, but it's 12,000 something naira. That's what I got this for. So I don't know for your side, but that's what I got it for from my side. So guys, we'll be opening it without wasting your time, and this is it. It doesn't have, there's no much thing. Okay, there's no much thing when it comes to opening it. Is you just do it. You see, okay, it has something like magnets, I don't know. It's easily lap and it can open easily. So this is it. Ta-da! Ta-da! So guys, oh, they said visibly reduces 10 years of dark marks in 4 weeks. Oh my god, I didn't even know this. So we are going to try it now. As you can see, your girl have some dark marks. I have freckles. I think there was a time I made video on how I started noticing freckles on my face while growing up. So, and I've been managing it with sunscreen and all that. Okay, so, and it has been so helpful. So I just got this to try, even though it's not something that will just disappear overnight, but we keep trying. Okay, so guys, this is it. They said it's going to reduce, it will visibly reduce what is it called, 10 years of dark marks in 4 weeks. In 4 weeks, Abby. And they also said that 90% of women agree it reduces stubborn dark marks. Yeah, so this is it. You can see it's 90% of women agree that it reduces stubborn dark marks. Okay, so guys, I don't know, I think it's actually a new product from Nivea, but I don't still know if it's new or not. So guys, we'll be taking it out from the this thing. We'll see. I hope they added a free gift because this thing is quite expensive. I don't know. This is it. This is the serum. This is the serum, guys. This is the serum. I will be opening it. Let me keep it here for now. And this is the sunscreen. The sun cream. This is the sun cream. This is the sun cream, guys. This is SPF 50. Yeah, this is SPF 50, and any sun cream that is from 50 up is a very good one. The one I was using is SPF 80. Is SPF 80. I still have that. It's not finished yet. So this is it. Nothing is here again. This is it, guys. I actually like the packaging. Like, it's so beautiful, guys. I love the way they packaged it. It's just so portable and beautiful. Even you can transport it to anywhere and it won't have any issue. And once it's closed, it's closed. Once it's, no matter what, it can't open. No matter how you throw it, this thing can't open until you try to open it. It's like a magnet. Okay, so it is very, the packaging is very okay. I just love that. Then for this one, they said this is the anti-dark mark serum. This is the anti-dark mark serum. Can you see it, guys? Okay, this is the anti-dark marks serum, and this is it. Yeah, can you see it? Yeah, so this is it, guys, and it smells nice. I love the fragrance. I don't know for you, you know what I like might not be what you like, but I love the fragrance. I thought it's oil. It's like cream. It's cream like something. Oh, guys, it's like cream. The anti serum, I mean the serum is like cream. I thought it's going to be like oil. Okay, this is how it looks. It's orange, somehow orange in color. So my face is shining already. Oh my god. So I'm going to be trying it out, and this is the SPF 50, the sun cream. Okay, the day cream, triple protection. So this one definitely to be a cream, not oil. So I already know how sun cream are. Although I heard that there's one they used to spray. I don't know, but I don't know. So this is it. It's also orange, somehow orange in color, guys. So this is it. I don't know if you can see it. It's not focusing. So this is it. You just, you know, you just apply it and off you go. So guys, see, so guys, this is it for the video, and I just said let me show you guys this stuff that I've been seeing on your ads, on your videos, and I laid my hand on it and I decided to show you guys. So if you are like me that have been seeing it on people's video and you have been maybe interested in buying it, get it. Let's try and see if it works. Okay, if it doesn't work, fine. If it works, fine. So I'll be trying it out to see if it works on my freckles, and maybe, just maybe, I might update you guys on the progress if it works or not. Okay, but for now, you can grab yours. Let's try it together and see how it goes. Okay, if you have used this particular product from Nivea, you can drop it in the comment section. Let me know if it really works. Okay, but if you have not used it, you can also subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed, so that you'll be able to get updates from me if it really works. Okay, and after then, I know that maybe their main aim of producing this thing might be for pimple dark mark, okay, but I want to try it on my freckles. It might also work, since they said even 10 years old of dark mark, Abby, it reduces it. So let's see how it goes. So guys, that will be it for this particular video. If you have watched to this extent, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to click the subscribe button, like this video, and share to people that might need it out there. And again, don't forget to drop your opinion in the comment section. Okay, stay safe out there, and see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.